do the perfect curly high bun and you don't have to curl your hair at all. On today's video, I am going to show you how to make the perfect curly bun without actually having to curl any of your hair. I have a video here where I actually did a bun like this using my own hair, and you can check that out if you want to use your hair. But if you don't have the skills or the tools, or you just don't want to have to curl your own hair, I'm going to show you how to do it with one of these. So check out that video to see the first part, how I put my hair up in a slick ponytail. You can put it up in any type of ponytail you want. It could be slick, it could be loose, it could be messy, you could have a part. It doesn't matter, but I chose to go with a slick ponytail. And when you check out that video that I linked, you can see how I did that there. And that has got us to this point. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my hair, I'm gonna brush it so that it's as smooth as possible. And I'm gonna put it into a tight little messy bun, as small as I can get it. This is one of the little tutorials where actually having the least amount of hair possible is gonna be very beneficial to you. So this fake ponytail extension, it's synthetic and it is from Hairdo USA. They sent me this a couple years ago and I think it's really fun. And especially like to use it for a bun as opposed to a ponytail. It's a cute ponytail as well, but it's a perfect length for turning the ponytail into a bun and not being really, really heavy. The way this ponytail gets secured to your head is with a claw clip. So it's a claw clip that has basically hair attached to it. So now that we have our hair up in our little bun, we're basically gonna take the claw clip and we're gonna attach the claw clip right in front of the bun. If you have a really tiny bun and you can fit it in the claw clip, be my guest. Depending on where you want your bun to sit when it's done, you might need this bun to be a little bit further back or whatnot so that you have space. But you do want the claw clip right up against the bun. The main reasons I don't put the claw clip over top of my bun is A, my bun is a little bit too big, so it doesn't really fit that well, and I don't find it very, very comfortable. So I prefer to clip the bun right in front of, but touching my natural bun. But if you like it on top and you don't have a lot of hair and you find it comfortable, you can also go that way. You don't want to put it behind. That's going to make things a lot more complicated to work with. So on top of or in front of the bun, and you're going to clip it. And I am clipping it, so this is the top of the ponytail here, and then this would be the bottom. We're clipping it so the top of the ponytail is facing forward, just like you would if you were clipping it on as a ponytail. The key to making sure that it doesn't hurt when you clip is don't take it hugely wide and grab a ton of your hair and then pull it. It's gonna pull. So you just wanna take it open a bit, pinch a small amount of hair, enough that it feels secure, but not so much that you feel pulling or tugging or that it is painful or uncomfortable in any way. And then what we're going to do is basically take the hair and use our bobby pins, and we are just going to start taking chunks of the hair, clip it into, hold on, I didn't really get enough there. Take a little chunk of the hair like this, clip it into your bobby pin, and then just twist and stick it in. And you're just gonna do that all the way around your head until you have created a bun that you like the look of, that you're happy with. You can choose to clip your bobby pins close to the ends, and then you're not gonna get much pieces sticking out, or you can clip the bobby pins a little further up, and that way when you do your little twists and pin, you're gonna get little bits of ends sticking out, which I like. I think it looks kind of cute and undone, but it is your hair and you should do it in whatever way you like. All right, so if you end up with something like that, I don't like this. It's like a loop. So I'm just gonna find where that pin is, pull that little guy out, and do it again. Because that is the beauty of something like this, is you can just keep playing with it and working with it until you like the way it looks. I don't think I mentioned it yet, but I usually try to mention in my videos when I use bobby pins, I suggest using bobby pins that match your hair. So I have blonde bobby pins because my hair is blonde, and dark bobby pins tend to show up really obviously in blonde hair, and I don't like that. So I tend to go with a blonde bobby pin because I don't have to worry as much about hiding them. So now I'm just going to re-slick the edges of my hair because I did put the wax in. Anything I've pulled out while I was styling will go back into its place fairly easily. Stick one more pin over here. And there you go. You have a bun, an updo that you have done without having to have much hair, without having to curl your hair. You literally just had to slick your hair up, tie it in a tight bun, and plop the hairpiece on top. I like this better than the fake messy buns. I just can manipulate it more. You could do it more sleek looking. You could do it as messy as you want. I do like it up high. I love the 90s vibe that it gives, but you could do it a little bit more back on your head if that's your preference. You could do it low. You could literally put it anywhere you want, and it just is so effortless and easy. And this hair is super durable and easy to maintain because it's a really high quality synthetic. It doesn't take a whole lot of care, and because it's pre-curled, you're not having to constantly curl it and put product in it. It just holds its shape, it holds its curl, it does its thing. You don't have to do much to it, and it just looks good in literally minutes. I hope that helps. I hope this gives you a fun new thing that you can try. I have linked some ponytail extension options in my Amazon storefront for you. I will link that in the comments. The hairdo one I have is not available on Amazon. You have to purchase that through them, but there are some similar ones on Amazon, and I have put those there if you prefer to buy from Amazon for convenience sake. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Leave me a comment letting me know what you guys would like me to make videos about. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. Bye guys.